In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open the page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code on the screen and a prompt to log in. This is the web interface that mirrors your WhatsApp account from your phone. Next, sign in so you're using the same account that's on your mobile. You can do this in two ways. The most common is scanning the QR code with your phone. Open WhatsApp on your device, go to the Linked Devices section, and use your camera to scan the code shown in the browser. If you see the option to log in with your phone number instead, follow the on-screen prompts to verify. Either way, once the login completes, your chats will appear on the web page. With WhatsApp Web open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile photo icon. Click that icon to open your profile panel. This is where you can see your current picture and basic account details. Move your cursor over your current profile picture or the placeholder if you haven't set one yet, and click. When you do, a small menu will appear with your options. Choose Upload Photo if you want to pick an image that's already on your computer. After selecting the file, WhatsApp Web will show a preview with a circular crop. Click and drag to reposition the image and use the zoom controls if available to get it framed just right. Aim for a clear, centered shot with your face well lit. Square or high-resolution images work best, so your picture looks crisp in chats. When you're happy, click the checkmark or the Done button to save your new look. If you prefer to take a new picture right now, choose Take Photo. Your browser may ask for permission to use the camera. Allow it so WhatsApp Web can access your webcam. Sit in good lighting, position yourself in the center of the frame, and snap the photo. If it doesn't look the way you want, retake it until you're satisfied, then confirm to save. Once saved, your updated profile picture will sync across devices and appear to your contacts. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. And remember, you can repeat these steps anytime to change it again. That's it. Simple and quick. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed WhatsApp profile.